friends. I'm Aloe Blacc. We recently suffered a devastating fire. Almost 7,000 homes reduced to ashes, families displaced, and at the heart of it all, the Pasadena Waldorf School where my children go to school. Pillar of education and community, completely lost. As visionaries who shape the future of retail, designing spaces where people connect and thrive, I invite you to help shape the future of this community. Right now, our children need a place to learn, to heal, and to dream again. Well, you can take action in this moment before you arrive by offering a personal donation or on behalf of your company. Retail has always been about more than just transactions. It's about people, places, and purpose. Today, I ask you to extend the purpose beyond your business and into a community ready to rise from the ashes. Thank you for your generosity. Thank you for your leadership. And thank you for standing with us in this time of need. Together, we can rebuild Pasadena Waldorf School.